Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're checking out the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo, specifically the EP3246/74 model, right? It's a renewed version.
And pitting it against the Breville Oracle Touch automatic espresso machine, model BES 990BSS, a true super-automatic espresso machine face-off.
Exactly. Let's dive in and see which one reigns supreme for the home barista. The Philips machine boasts that you can make 5 different coffees: espresso, coffee, cappuccino, and latte macchiato with just a touch. It's all about simplicity.
The Breville counters with a touchscreen offering a full menu of cafe favorites: latte, espresso, americano, flat white, and cappuccino. Plus, it lets you save up to 8 personalized coffee settings. So both offer one-touch convenience, but Breville adds personalization.
Yeah, and Philips is really pushing its LatteGo system. They claim silky smooth milk froth and incredibly easy cleaning. Just 2 parts, no tubes, and 15 seconds under the tap or in the dishwasher.
The Breville, on the other hand, focuses on its automatic steam wand. It's designed to create that perfect microfoam for latte art, promising a velvety texture.
Quick cleaning versus barista quality foam, a key decision point for listeners. The Philips has a 12-step grinder adjustment, letting you fine-tune from ultra-fine to coarse.
The Breville seriously ups the ante with 45 precision grind settings. That's a huge range for dialing in the perfect espresso extraction. That's a significant difference for listeners who are serious about their grind.
Philips says its ceramic grinders are durable and good for at least 20,000 cups. That's a long-term investment.
Breville doesn't specify a number, but they do emphasize the commercial-grade 58mm portafilter, suggesting professional-level quality.
So, durability is a key selling point for both, but Philips quantifies it. Also, the Philips machine highlights its AquaClean filter, claiming you can make up to 5,000 cups without descaling.
The Breville also has a water filter, but doesn't give a specific number for descaling. However, it does have a feature to test water hardness. It seems like the Philips is really targeting users who want minimal maintenance. One standout feature of the Breville is the customization. You can adjust coffee strength, milk texture, and temperature, and save up to 8 personalized coffees with unique names and pictures.
The Philips doesn't mention saving personalized settings, so you'd have to manually adjust each time. So the Breville is clearly the winner for those who want a tailored coffee experience.
The Breville also has a bunch of videos available to watch, showing it in action and highlighting its features.
The Philips doesn't have any videos on the Amazon page, from what I can see.
Yeah, it seems like the Breville is geared towards someone who wants more control, customization, and visual guidance, while the Philips is all about convenience, easy cleaning, and a lower price point, especially as a renewed model.
Definitely. It all boils down to what you're looking for: ease of use and maintenance, or customization and barista-level control. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.